So what I like about JD Work and Travel International is that it offers a very unique opportunity for students, mainly tertiary level students, to travel, work, study, and be ambassadors for their culture. They also learn how to interact with people from diverse cultures and learn about other cultural spaces because of their interaction with people from different cultures. It provides our students as well with an opportunity to interact in a real work-life environment and so learn skills about how to be professionals, how to be a good worker, and help them to mature in their careers and in other areas that are important for the working world. Overall, JAB Work and Travel International is an excellent place for you to go and hone your skills and to be a real cultural ambassador and of course to mature into your career of choice. And so I encourage students, tertiary level students from different institutions, to be a part of JAB Work and Travel International.
So it's a competitive world, and it is important for Jamaicans and young Jamaicans in particular to understand that to compete at a very high level, you're competing with everybody else in the world. And the way that you're going to do well in the companies that here, whether large or small, established or new, is to have that international experience. And JAB Work and Travel International gives you that experience. It allows you to travel to the United States and gain that experience that you can now bring to Jamaica and use in the companies that you work with. It provides you with an internationalized resume to your benefit. We have to build Jamaica, we build it together, and we build it at the highest level and utilize JAB Work and Travel International.
I'm a person who is big on independence. Independence for me is synonymous with freedom. JAB Work and Travel International heavily promotes financial freedom for students. When students travel and work in the US, they are able to acquire the funds that they need in order to help pay their way through university. This means that they don't have to be burdened with the financial debts of students' loan, but to pressure their family into getting the money they need. Actually, what they can do is now focus on their studies. Now, this means that students are better able to perform in college or university. Why? They don't have to be worried about repaying students' loan. Oh, and guess what? JAB actually has the lowest fees on the market.
Yeah, JAB Work and Travel International and promoting a sense of self-development among youth, self-growth, balance. You understand? Because education is never about, studies or mere economics. It's about spiritual health. It's about physical health. It's about mental health. Yeah, it's a holistic lifestyle to be fully educated. So you can function in a progressive society, so you can function in a modern world. You understand me? So JAB is about that. It's all about the development of youths to function in a society where they can earn their living in an honest and friendly and loving environment, in a progressive environment. Because that is the true balance of true wealth. See?
Irrespective of our many differences, one thing that connects us all is that we're human beings. And I appreciate that JAB Work and Travel International actively contributes to cultural integration by building culturally and socially aware students to not only accept differences around them, but to respect each other at all times, which is key for life. To embrace diversity is to be open-minded. Oftentimes, open-minded, out-of-the-box thinkers are the ones who are equipped and capable to lead a nation. And our nation is in need of leadership. Compact with diverse, top-class skills and knowledge, merging to create an unstoppable winning force. Share your culture and help shape the future.
JAB Work and Travel International.
JAB
JAB.
Youth, stay focused. JAB, see? JAB.